Hi guys, it's Super Cute Stuff, and today I'm going to be doing the most relaxing slime video ever made. I just want to give a shout out to my best friend, well not best friend, but you know what I mean. His name is Logan Greenway 03. This is him, and go and follow him. So without further ado, let's get started. Shout out to Literally Mustard. Shout out to Peachy Babbles, or Babbles, I don't know how to say it. Shout out to Slime Internet. Shout out to Surf's Slime Co. I'm not really going to be singing every single one because my voice really hurts because I got a very hurt throat, but you can obviously see them. So go and check them out.
can never get it out with one hand. If you want.
Hi guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go and subscribe to mine and my friend's Megan's YouTube channels, and also our Instagram account we have together, and it's this one. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, bye and subscribe. Live as if you'll die today. Also, a thing to leave you thinking about. I know this video is very long, but seriously, it won't take that long explaining. Taps! Automatic ones, they're great, but the ones that we have to twist. Listen to this. Your hands have already got germs on. You go and twist the top of it. Yeah. You get your soap on, you get the water, you wash your hands. Then how do you make the water stop? You touch the tap that loads of people have touched. Again, which makes the germs go onto your hands, which means your hands aren't clean, and you turn it off. What? We need a new invention. Automatic ones. I say we should all have them. Anyway, what's your brand new idea for the universe? Comment down below and subscribe. Until next time, bye!